Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video for you guys here today. We are doing a drive over to the McDonald's actually, and we're gonna see if the car can figure out all the proper movements to get us over there. And let's see. It started by going out the parking lot this way, which I wasn't expecting. No left turn. I'm sorry, no right turn, and it made the left turn as it was supposed to. Driving by a gas station. I don't know if that's allowed, but we're doing it anyways, and here we go. We are exiting the shopping center, and the car did really good because I didn't even know about this little exit part. I thought we had to exit from back there, so the car did better than I would have right there. And here we go. So we are looking to actually make a U-turn at our next light. So the car's got to make a right here and then merge over 2 lanes and get into the left lane for a U-turn. So here we go. Perfect. Oh, look at that. The sunset time just hit and the car went into dark mode, which is so epic. And what a wonderful job it just did merging over, catching all that in such perfect time. Here we go. We got a green light and we're looking to do a U-turn right here. So here we go. Let's see. And just perfection. Oh my God, what a perfect U-turn. That was incredible. And here it goes, getting into the middle lane. And wow, just perfect. I've been playing around with the modes a little bit, so I'm on standard right now, which stays in the middle lane a little bit more. And if I go to hurry, it will go to the left lane, which depending on the way the traffic is, I'll change it accordingly. Right now it's perfect for standard. And yeah, we just had a bunch of rain. The sky's looking pretty cool right now. And yeah, FSD is driving amazingly. And wow, as you can see what it just did right there, leaving the parking lot from the park position, was able to get me out of the parking lot onto the highway, U-turn where I need to go, and just did it all flawlessly. And this is still hardware 3. I'm running hardware 3, FSD on hardware 3, and it works flawlessly, which means yes, it's going to work even better on hardware 4. So for the latest, newest cars, who knows, we might get an upgrade here soon too to that 5 megapixel camera. But as you can see here, that 1 megapixel camera is very sufficient and just knows how to drive and drives with confidence. Truly drives like a boss, I have to say. Having my own personal chauffeur is incredibly awesome. I don't know how to put that in words, but yeah, I mean, the car drives itself. It's very cool, and it does a really good job at it. Yeah, I always like to just be careful by paying attention, and I think that's the biggest thing. You just gotta pay attention still. I think even when it gets to a point where you can sit in the back seat, I still feel like I'm gonna pay attention for a while, just because, I don't know, I'm just so used to it, and it's gonna take me some time personally to just stop paying attention. I don't know, there's a computer driving me. Excuse me. Spoke a little quickly, and that's why I'm stopping to get something to drink actually right now. Yeah, and it's gonna take some time for me, I think. It's a computer driving for you, so that being said, pay attention. Now the computer is extremely good. It drives very well. Just think about the views that it has. It can see in front of it, it can see behind, on the sides, pretty much a 360 view. And yeah, we don't have that, so keep that in mind. The car sees things that we can't, and it has traffic patterns built in. It's got, so now it should go. So I'm having to give it a little nudge right there. I'm not sure why it didn't go, which is yeah, sometimes things like that happen. So all you got to do is give it a little nudge by slightly tapping on the accelerator, and it does its thing. always like to keep an eye on. And plus, I have been going back and forth with standard and hurry. I've been trying to test it out as much as possible to see really how it shows up and it feels different, and how each drive is. So that way I can figure out, you know, for the time of day and when I'm and how I'm using it, which driving mode I want to be in. And typically I'm noticing standard is actually smart for very local driving, and pretty much anytime you get on the highway, you want to switch it over to hurry. And that's when it's going to use the left lane to its advantage and pass traffic that's going slow. But if you're just riding around locally, you know, very short distances, standard is pretty good, because in that case it won't go to the left lane if you're looking to make an exit coming up soon or something like that. So it works a lot better that way. But yeah, overall just real smooth driving with Teslas. It's really incredible how it uses the regenerative braking, so it minimizes having to actually apply the brakes as much as possible. And what that means exactly is it's slowing down the motor to slow down the car, and that actually gives you a little bit of battery back to your car, which really increases the efficiency of the Model 3. It's ridiculously efficient. With 1 kilowatt of electricity, it's able to go roughly 5 miles. That's nuts. So yeah, and anywhere from 3 to 5 miles, I would say, depending on weather conditions, AC, this and that. And yeah, overall it's just extremely efficient. That's one thing Tesla's got down really well, is their efficiency. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. This was a super fun one to shoot. Just, yeah, really easy, kick back, commentating for the most part what I see, because I'm just seeing flawless driving. And yeah, let's see what it does here. It's gonna pull me up into the McDonald's. I just want to get something to drink real quick. And yeah, we'll cut the video there. Let's see how it does. Getting into the left lane, perfect. And here it goes. Making a left. Now it doesn't know to necessarily get into the drive-thru, which is what I'm trying to do. Let's see here. Yeah, it's gonna then go try to park, of course. So yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There's my takeover right there. And yeah, we were just gonna get ourselves something to drink. And yeah, more videos coming soon. Thanks again. Have a great day.